Hi, boys and girls. Today we will be reading Green is a Chili Pepper, and we will be making our very own book of colors. For this activity, you will need paper and colored pencils or crayons or markers and some colorful objects from your house. So let's get started. Green is a chili pepper. Red is aristra. Red is a spice. Red is salsa on top of our rice. Can you find something red in this picture? I see a red shirt. I see a red apron, red chiles, and red tomatoes. Let's see what I can find from my house that is red. Here is something. Do you know what this is? This is a shirt. So I'm going to open up my book of colors. I drew my picture of, find red. I wrote the word red. I drew my picture of a shirt and I wrote, I see a shirt. Let's see what is next. Orange. Orange are the flowers on Day of the Dead. Orange are the platos for special bread. Orange. Can you find something orange in this picture? I spy orange pumpkins, orange flowers, an orange guitar, an orange hat, and orange plates. Let's see what I can find that is orange from my house. Something orange. What is this? This is orange jelly. So on my orange page, I drew a picture of jelly and I wrote, I see the jelly. Let's see what's next. Yellow. Yellow is masa we use to make tortillas, tamales, and sweet corn cake. Yellow. Can you find something yellow in this picture? I found yellow tamales, yellow tortillas, a yellow piñata, a yellow guitar, and yellow cupcakes. Okay, let's see, what can I find that is yellow? Here's something yellow. Do you know what this is? This is a yellow sponge, and I use the sponge to clean my plates and my cups, to clean my dishes. So, find my yellow page. Here is my page with yellow. There we go, you can see the word. I'm going to draw my yellow sponge. I'm going to draw a rectangle yellow sponge, and there's some green on my sponge. Then I'm going to write, I see a sponge. I see a sponge. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Green. Green is a chili pepper, spicy and hot. Green is cilantro inside our pot. Green. I spy a green shirt, green chiles, and a green plant with green leaves. Let's see. What do I have green in my house? Do you know what this is? This is a green plant. I'm going to draw my green plant. Here is the word green. I see a plant. Ooh. I see a plant. Let's see what is next. Blue. Blue is the endless sky above and handmade crafts for those I love. Blue. Can you find something blue in this picture? I see the blue sky. I see blue water. I see a blue skirt and blue jeans. What can I find from my house that is blue? I love this blue thing. Do you know what this is? This is a blue blanket. So I will get my blue crayon or colored pencil and draw a big rectangle for my blue blanket. Then I will write, I see a blanket. If you don't know how to spell or write the word, you just try your best to say the sounds and think about the letters. I see a blanket. Purple. Purple are the rides that swirl and spin and the feria prizes that we win. Purple. There is a lot of purple in this illustration. I see purple rides. This looks like a purple octopus. I see a purple balloon, hot air balloon, and I see purple tents. What can I find in my house that is purple? Do you know what this is? This is a purple brush. Let me find my purple colored pencil. I'm going to draw a circle and a rectangle for my purple brush. I see a brush. So we just sound out the sounds and try our best. I see a brush. See what color will be next. My favorite color, pink. Pink are adornos and candles that glow. Pink are piñatas. Watch out below. Look at all of the pink in this picture. What can you find? I see a pink cake. I see a pink piñata and even pink candy coming from the piñata. Let's see. I have lots of pink in my house because it is my favorite. I have a pink cup and a pink shirt. Going to draw my pink cup. And even a flower for my pink cup. I see a cup. Okay, let's see what will be next. Brown. Brown is a churro, warm and sweet, and homemade chocolate, a special treat. Can you find something brown in this picture? I see brown churros and brown chocolate, and even some of our friends have brown hair. Okay, I have a brown, do you know this name? A brown boot. So I'm going to draw my brown boot. I see a boot. The world is a beautiful rainbow of wonder and fun, ribbons of colors all rolled into one. In banchos, serepes, and xylophones too, these beautiful colors are waiting for you. The end. What a beautiful picture. I think we can add a few more colors to our book, and maybe you can think of even more colors. How about the color black? Let's see. I bet you everyone has one of these in their house. You know the name? This is a remote. I'm going to draw a rectangle for my remote and some circles for the buttons. I see a remote. We can also find something that is gray. In my house, I have a gray pillow. So I'm going to draw a square for my pillow and some lines for the swirls. I see a pillow. The end. Now we have our own book of colors. Boys and girls, I can't wait to see all of your beautiful drawings of your book of colors. I know that you all like to draw and that you can draw much better pictures than Miss Tucker. So I can't wait to see what you draw for me, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.